Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and I make videos on beauty and food. Today's look is a classic matte neutral eyeshadow look where I've used neutral shades and brown, which is also a neutral shade. So you can call this a brown matte eyeshadow look. I've started with the L'Oreal Glow Drop Sparkling Love in the shade Sparkling Love. Now this I'm using as an illuminating liquid. If you've been following me, you'd notice that I have used similar products in different videos just to show you that you don't need to go out and buy different products for different looks. You can absolutely recreate different looks using the same products. After that, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm only applying concealer in the necessary areas, that's under my eyes, on the high points of my face. I'm not going to apply foundation for this look. If you want to apply foundation, if you think your face needs more coverage, please go ahead and apply more foundation by all means. You can apply foundation and concealer if you think you need more coverage. I don't think I need a lot of coverage, so I'm just applying the bare minimum that I feel is necessary for this look. Next, I'm going in with my bronzer, that is Hoola by Benefit. I'm just bronzing my face up. Again, you can use any bronzer for this. I just had this at hand, so I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Next, I'm going in with the Colorbar blush in the shade Rosy Peach. Again, it's one of my most favorite products for blush. It stays a long time and its pigmentation is amazing. So I would recommend you taking some on the brush, dabbing it off and then applying it to your skin because the pigmentation is great. I am sealing all this in with the K-Beauty loose powder in the shade Vanilla. Again, I'm applying powder just to the points that I think I need this powder on my face. Take your time with this, ensure that you have covered all the parts because this seals in all your liquid products. Next, I'm going to do my brows. Again, there's no particular way to do your brows, and always remember both our eyebrows are never identical. So one brow may need more product, the other brow may need lesser. You need to just do it as per your judgment. But I would always advise to keep it as natural looking as possible. And once you apply your brow product, always brush it out to make it look natural. Next, I'm using the same concealer I used, the L'Oreal Infallible one, on my eyelids just to prime it and build a canvas to work with my eyeshadow. I'm just powdering that very lightly to fill it as a base. Next, I'm going in with the Forever 52 eyeshadow matte palette. It's an amazing palette with great pigmentation. This is in the shades 005. I'm taking the light brown shade and I'm starting as my transition shade. Actually, I am not in my home at the moment, hence the lighting is different, the background is different. I am carrying my products to shoot videos, but I was not able to carry my usual lighting equipment. So I apologize for the hard light, which is the sunlight. But then again, natural light is the best light to do your makeup in. However, the intensity of it is something I can't control, so I apologize for that. I'm trying my best to do it in the best lighting to show you the result. Next, I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm going in with into my crease area with this, just to deepen my crease area and the outer corner. I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm blending the outsides, the transition area with this, just to avoid harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sand from the Revolution Pro-Nath palette. Basically, you can go in with any kind of matte skin shade or slightly lighter ivory creamish shade. So it doesn't matter which palette you have, where the shade is from, as long as it's a matte ivory creamish shade, you're good to go. Once I add that, I'm just deepening the intensity of the dark brown shade in the outer corner of my eye as well as the crease area. I'm doing this with a slightly tapered fluffy brush because I want this to be concentrated only in the crease of my eye. I thought I needed a bit more in the outer corner, and just for the outer corner I'm doing it with a fluffier brush. Ensure you take your time with this because you don't want to get the color all over. Now with the original fluffy blending brush, I'm just again ensuring that I blend the harsh edges. As you can see, I'm taking my time with this because since we're dealing with matte shades, it needs to be really on point. Next, I'm taking the light brown and dark brown shade and I'm going in with the tapered brush on my lower lash line. I'm taking a kajal in it's my favorite Colorbar kajal in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm just tight lining my eyes. Again, this is a product that you'd probably see in most of my videos. It's just to show you that you can create different looks with the same products and you don't really need to go out and buy so many products or variations that you see online. We just need to make the best of what we have at home to make it cost effective and yet make yourself look amazing. I am taking a pencil brush and I'm blending this kajal out just to give it a more smudged look and a softer line rather than a hard line. Then I'm taking some more kajal on my brush and I'm forming a soft smudgy line on my top eyelid. Again, take your time with this. As you can see, I am now going to take the brown eyeshadow, dark brown, and I'm going to go over it to seal in the kajal. You should always seal in any kind of cream product with a powder just so that it stays in place and it doesn't move or smudge later on. I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. This is by K Beauty. I like this one. It's more of a regular wear mascara, something that you can wear every single day. It's not something that thickens your eyelashes too much, and I like it because of that. I just felt the look needed a little more blush. As you know, I don't completely do my face always. I ensure that I come back to certain parts when I feel it needs a little more, so I've touched my blush up. For my lips, I started with the Chambor lipstick shade in the shade 401. This is a liquid lipstick, and then I topped it up with the Nars Walk This Way. I finished the look with the PAC Micro Makeup Fixer, which is again my favorite one. I felt that I needed a more warm brown tone because my lipstick looked a bit too pink for this look, so I added a Forever 52 shade in Sagerimakeup, and I felt that made the look much better. So by all means, you can just apply that. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Again, the lipstick doesn't need to be 3 layers. You can apply any nude brown shade that you probably had or have. I hope you like this. If you do like it, please give this video a thumbs up and comment in the section below to let me know what you think. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking the time. Bye bye.